Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi 11T and let me show you how to turn on and off camera mirror effect at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode with back camera, so to get access to mirror effect we have to change it to the front one. Let's do it by tapping simply on this right button. So here we are. Now let's go to right corner button so we can get access to more options about the camera we can manage. And from here let's go to left to settings to open them. And here at the second place we have mirror front camera option now, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.